Good morning, class. We've been talking a lot about natural wonders in nature, and I discovered these wonderful pictures. The first is of water bodies, Lake Titicaca in Peru. You have the Argentina lakes in South America. The river in San Francisco. Iguazu Falls in Brazil. Lake Matheson in New Zealand. The Malta Cliffs and the Mediterranean Sea. And the Yukon Flats River. Next category is mountains. They usually form a peak, and they're made up of earth and rock materials. The first one you have here is the mountains and river at Skagway. Next is the mountains in Alaska. You have the mountains in Colorado. Landmark Wall in China. Mount Rainier in Washington. Next is the mountains in Southern California. Here we have the canyons. We talked about them that are normally carved by a river. You have the Canyonlands in Utah. You have the Canyon de Chelly in Arizona. Next is the Grand Canyon, which is one of the largest canyons in the world. The next category is one of my favorites. This is sunsets, or as some people refer to them as sundowns. They're usually referred to the disappearance of the sun. And you'll notice the bright orange and red colors. Here is the sunset in California. Next is the sunset in Cambodia. Hudson Bay in Canada, and the sunset in Africa. Here's Beach Acropolis of Lindos, Greece. We spoke a lot about beaches recently. Some of you will be traveling and probably going to the beach this summer. And here's Beach Amalfi in Italy. As amazing as these pictures are, they only represent a portion of the natural occurrences in nature and our environment. Hopefully this has inspired you to become more aware of your surroundings.